Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Welcome back to the channel. Got a quick video today featuring some really cool products. These were invented by a gentleman named Stephen Bateman. He's a paraeducator working with blind children, and all of these products were born out of gaps he saw while working with his students. He has a company called Voyager Creations, and he creates these products. If you like any of these, I will have his contact information down below. But first we are looking at these. These are called Crayon Caps. Slide this out of the way here. And it's these little caps that go onto crayons. And first you'll notice that the color of the plastic actually represents the crayon color. This one is orange. On one side it has the word orange embossed in the plastic, and then on the other side, the opposite side, it has the word written in Braille. These are going to be great for low vision and blind children to know what color they have. Low vision can tell by the color of the cap, or perhaps they can read the embossed word written much larger than it is printed on the label, or the Braille user can read the color in Braille. And they're super easy to put onto the crayon. The crayon just slides right in, just like an eraser on the end of a pencil. This is fantastic. He has all the primary colors here, everything you'll need for a standard box of crayons. Super cool. Next, Stephen was finding that some of his students were having a hard time using these quick sticks, paint sticks. Dexterity reasons, maybe they were just having a hard time holding it, maybe they were having a difficult time identifying this from maybe a glue stick. So he created this simple little handle, and the quick stick just slides right into it, fits perfectly, and just gives a way for the student to grip it and hold it more comfortably, and also identify it just by touch. And then finally, we also have keycaps for a Perkins Brailler, which, I just so happen to have one right here. So Stephen was finding that maybe some of his students with limited dexterity or having a hard time pressing down these keys. Maybe you have a Perkins Brailler like mine that's a little stiff. The keys are a little stiff. Well, these keycaps simply slide onto the keys. Let me put these on real quick. Super easy to do just by touch. And these provide leverage and a much easier way to press down those keys on your Perkins Brailler. Pretty cool idea. The keys do have Braille on them, but don't look at mine because I probably put them on the wrong keys. But that's pretty cool idea. And don't judge my typing either. So once again, these are products from Stephen Bateman at Voyager's Creations. Huge thank you to Stephen for sending these out so I could make the video for you guys. Once again, if you'd like more information, links in the video description down below. Reach out to Stephen to see how you can pick these up for your students. That's it for this one, guys. Sam with The Blind Life. I will see you next time.